running deep like the ancient old. Fire in the veins, no time to choke. Earth whispers wisdom if you care to hear. Stand tall, my brother, cast out the fear. Lion heart beats strong in the storm. When the world gets cold, keep it warm. Rise like the sun when the shadows call. Lion heart dub, conquer them all. Conquer them all. Oh. Waves may crash, but the ocean stays. Troubles fade like the passing haze. Truth is a drumbeat, steady and pure. In the rhythm of life, find your cure. Every trial, every scar marks the journey to who we are. Lion heart beats strong in the storm. When the world gets cold, keep it warm. Rise like the sun when the shadows call. Lion heart dub, conquer them all. Conquer them all. Roots run deep where the spirit knows. A whisper of time in the ocean's roar. Tell me, how do we find what we're searching for? The sun and moon, they share the sky. Teach me balance, teach me why. Mystic island breeze, carry me home through the tides of doubt, where the soul has grown. Mystic island breeze, set my heart free. In your rhythm, I find eternity. Mountains stand tall, yet they crumble too. A lesson in changing what's old and new. The stars map a path, but the journey's mine. Tell me, how do I make each moment divine? The wind has no chains, dances wild. It dances wild, dances wild. The earth bears the weight of each eye, of every child. Every child. Freedom's not a place, free's not a place. It's a state of mind, state of mind. Lose the fear, and the truth you'll find. Mystic island breeze, carry me home through the tides of doubt, where the soul has grown. Mystic island breeze, set my heart free. In your rhythm, I find eternity. Roots run deep where the rivers flow wide. One seed planted grows a forest to the sky. The sun don't rush, but it still lights the day. Slow and steady finds a way. One step forward, no need to run. Heal the soul. One drop remedy, make us whole. A little of a little time. One drop remedy, rewinds the grind. One drop remedy. Mountains whisper stories to the clouds. Patience holds the power unbound. The wind it dances, but it never breaks. Lessons learned in every mistake. One spark kindles the flame to burn. One life lived is a life to learn. Remedy, heal the soul. One drop remedy, make us whole.